Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel and happy Mask Monday Ladies and Friends Collaboration Day. You guys, today I'm actually going to use my new ULIKE laser and work on the face again for like a couple minutes. I did find just a few odds and end hairs. I have like a whisker over here that I think that's the only one that I've missed, and then very sparse amount on my upper lip. So I'm just going to start treating again. It's been weeks since I treated. So this is it. You guys, ULIKE, this brand just released a brand new hair removal laser. I've got a link down below. You guys can get it right now, $100 off. If you use that link down below, it is an affiliate link. It literally has been out for like a week. So brand new. It, I believe, is about a little bit bigger treatment area. So pretty awesome deal, $100 off. I'm going to put it on the goggles right now, so I'm going to be looking dark. I'm going to start with the chin, I think. So try to get through that pretty quickly. All right. So I noticed I've got like one whisker that I just must have been missing it on the treatment area. So I'm just going to do, I don't know, I'm just going to do it with my whole chin. You know, what can you do, right? So it's not going to work on any hairs that are not dark. And I do have some like really, really light, almost like light peach fuzz like hairs. Those it won't work on. And what I'm really worried about are those whiskers. You know, ladies, what I'm talking about. Those freaking chin hair, yak, goat whiskers that we never know where they're coming from, where they're going to pop up on our chin, and why they won't just go away and leave us alone. So I'll just treat my whole chin area. I didn't find any of my other like known whiskers came back. There was just one over here that I was like, oh, there you are. So, and it was much thinner, so that's good. It tells me I was getting it. I just didn't get it probably all the time. So, and I'm going to do up here on my upper, above my lip. And I find like right in here is hard, like I get hair. Hard to talk and do this, so. I think I'll go back and forth over it like twice. It's easier for me to operate it with my right hand because I'm right-handed. All right. I think I got it all. I think that's my treatment area. So I always wipe this off before I start and after I'm finished, just to make sure it's clean, that no oils from my skin stay on the laser at all. I noticed this is really dark. I must have gotten something on it. There's like a big dark, like greasy spot or something. I probably was working on my nails and like moved it, and I probably had something on my like cuticle oil on my hand or something. It was very fuzzy. All right, so that's awesome. I have for my masking today the Dermatology under eye mask. We're going to start with that. And then Miss Sunny from Sunny's Place sent me that. I'm going to use that mask today. So I'm going to try to get these on first. Hopefully the video or the audio turns out on this. I had quite a bit of trouble with the audio, and I realized I was having issues with this lavalier microphone that I use. So I hope I've got it figured out. Guess we'll find out. I'd hate to make this video and then realize that like there's no audio, and that happened on a bunch of videos, so I had to like redo them, and I don't want to redo my Mask Monday videos. You know, they're very original, and I would feel silly having to do 2 in one day, but you know, it is what it is. Okay. These are super cold, right out of the refrigerator. Trying to get them up under, as high as I can go with them. I'm gonna move this. So this Best Friend Snail and Green Tea Face Mask is from Look at Me, made in Korea. Let's see here. Tencel has a comfortable, smooth, and soft surface that allows for maximum and effective absorption of benefits. Snail secretion filtrate is best known for the benefits of increasing elasticity and making skin look more youthful. Helps improve your skin's texture and smooth fine lines while working together with green tea extract. How to use. Cleanse face, apply your toner. I didn't do toner because I knew I was going to be using the laser. Place the mask on the face and adjust it for best fit. Leave on 15 to 20 minutes and remove. Gently tap remaining essence for best absorption. So you don't have to wash your face with this one. You know, I've used this one before, but I always double check because I never, you use so many different masks. Some of them you're supposed to wash the serum off. So, ooh, I forgot how, like, sudsy it is because of the snail filtrate. It's really in there too. Ooh, very gooey. It's like sudsy. Gosh, let's get some of that snail filtrate on there. One of the things that just bugs me about aging is, like, my mother's side of the family, we're known for these, like, I call them our saddlebag jowls, and they show up in your 40s. I hate it. So I'm getting that look. Oh, this is very gooey. I'm trying to, like, there we go, open up the mask without tearing it. It's really slippery and very gooey. My hands are just full of this filtrate, secretion stuff, whatever it's called. It's so gooey. Look at how gooey it is. It's like sudsy bubbly. You know what I haven't done in a while? There is, and I wonder if they're still selling them. I remember at the dollar store, the Dollar Tree, they were selling like a charcoal bubbling mask. I think it was charcoal, but it was a bubbling. As soon as you exposed it to air, it started like sudsing. I think it was charcoal. Ooh, this is so slippery. Tons of serum on this. My gosh. Get it in my hands too. My hands are really dry. I had kind of a nice long weekend. I was outside, even though the weather in Wisconsin was pretty terrible. Saturday was awful. It was absolutely cloudy and extremely cold. Like temperatures maybe up to like 40. And the wind was just terrible. We're going in with this. And I was out and about pretty much all day. Grocery shopped, ran errands. Then my friend wanted to go birding, so we did that, and honestly, it was just miserable. It was so cold. It was so windy, and the wind was right out of the north, and it was like, to me, it felt like a cold January day. It was just bitter. Wind chill was like 30 degrees, and I mean, the wind was howling. My hair's a mess. I did colored my hair this weekend, so it's all in a bun in the back, all clumped up, just out of the shower, but so I birded on Friday afternoon. I birded, like I said, Saturday. Of course, I'm filming this on Sunday. I got up, did a ton of like chores. I had to clean the bathroom, swept the kitchen's floor, did some vacuuming, cleaned the bathroom. Like I said, cleaned the bathroom up really good. Was just doing a ton of cleaning, did a couple of the laundry. And then she called me up and she's like, do you want to try to go back to where we were on Saturday to look for birds that people had been seeing, but we didn't see? And we did. We just ran up and we're out for like 2 hours and didn't find anything, but it was a little bit nicer outside and it was beautiful. It's such a change in weather. Like, it was very windy today, but Saturday being extremely cold, totally overcast. I mean, super dark, cloudy, horrible. Just felt like a cold, nasty winter day. Today, not a cloud in the sky. I think we probably hit 60 degrees. Cold in the morning, but gotten just nicer and nicer and nicer. So, it's like after a miserable start to the weekend, I really appreciated having like a nice Sunday afternoon where it was pleasant temperatures, a little breezy, but not horrible, not that biting wind. I think it's going to get cold again tonight, but my gosh, just what a difference. That sunshine really makes you just feel a lot better. So, I mean, I was caked in sunscreen and had a couple of jackets on in the morning, but in the afternoon, I had my friend came over with her boys, and we did a bunch of stuff together. And by the end of the day, I was able to just be on like a hoodie sweatshirt and be quite comfortable. So yay for spring weather. So we need to pick a winner for last week's giveaway. I will be doing that with the comment picker. We need to talk about this week's giveaway. It's going to be another mystery box. Quick rundown of not all the rules, but most of the rules. You need to be subscribed to my channel. You can't have one within the last 4 giveaways. Mask Monday Ladies giveaways. I do them in this video. Excuse me. You need to be publicly subscribed to my channel, which means I can see that you're subscribed. There's a link down below. I probably should check that link, but it's a YouTube link. To their help, when you sign into YouTube for the first time, everything is private, and that's a privacy thing. You have to actually go in and turn your subscriptions to public. I mentioned that my last giveaway, Miss Kimmy won it, and I mean, she was. I gave her a little, I was teasing her on the video that she unsubscribed, but I know she didn't. And she's like, yeah, she goes, I noticed I hadn't been seeing any notifications on your videos. This was like 7 months ago or 8 months ago. And she's like, so I went to your channel looking, like wondering if you'd left YouTube. And she's like, and I realized that YouTube had unsubscribed me. So I just resubscribe. And I'm like, yeah, that's happening a lot. This snail filtrate stuff is kind of dripping into my mouth. It's kind of gross. So anyway, it happens. So please do check, all your favorite creators, not just me, but if you're somebody you're like, gosh, I haven't seen them put out a video in a while, it could be that YouTube has unsubscribed you. And I don't know, I don't understand why YouTube's algorithm is programmed to remove your subscriptions. Like, what business is it theirs? Like, you should be subscribed to who you're subscribed to. They shouldn't have their algorithm go in and unsubscribe you. I think it's a joke. Like, YouTube wonders why everybody ran to TikTok and Instagram. It's because of it's the way their algorithm is just doing silly things. And yeah, anyway. So, publicly subscribe to my channel, an adult 18 years of age or older. Mailing address here in the US. Yada, yada, yada. Just please read the rules down below. Like I said, you can't have one in the last 4 giveaways. I've been generally doing mystery boxes now. Like I said last week, this giveaway, this mystery box, I may have, and I'm not going to give anything away, I may have a swatch palette in there. I'm not going to do that for this one, which will be picked next week. So let me know if you got questions. In order to get entered, you guys, you're going to have to leave a comment down below using a word. And I think we're going to go ahead in honor of this. We're going to use the word snail for this snail and green tea face mask. So SNAIL, use that word in sentence format. If you just leave that word down below, I will be deleting it. You will not be entered. So you need to, gosh, I'm going to cough here. Excuse me. You need to use it in sentence format. Just make something up. It's okay. I don't mind. Have fun with it. You can tell me some crazy story about snails. Whatever. Have fun with it. It doesn't matter as long as you do it in sentence format. So let me know if you got questions, guys. But I'm going to sign off, say goodbye, but don't go anywhere because you're actually going to see me pick the winner, okay? So have a good week, guys. Before I go, I hope you guys checked out my Yanni Best video. It's an Amazon seller. They also sell off their own platform, or well, their website. And it's, I got hair products. Well, sort of. I got hair bonnet and some scrunchies and stuff. It's kind of how I help, how I take care of my hair. I actually have owned some products from this company. I was really happy when they reached out to me because I have bought more than one product from them before, and I really do like it. So was super happy to get a couple of products of theirs that I hadn't tried yet. So please check that video out. It helps me to show these people that it was worth their while to send me these products for review. If I can get some views, get the views up on that video. So if you watch it, maybe more than once, I would appreciate it. I'll be honest, I asked for it. So, but let me know if you got questions about that product, you guys. I'm super happy. I've been using it. I washed the bonnet I got. I washed it, and I've been using it in lieu of the other bonnets that I own. So, really like it. So anyway, Like I said, I'm going to sign off now, guys, but don't go anywhere because we are going to go ahead and pick our winner for last week's giveaway, okay? Have a good one, guys, and I'll see you on my next video, okay? Hang tight, guys. Hey, everybody. We're here at the comment picker. I got it all set up. The word we're going to be looking for in the winner's comment is butterfly. Let's see how many unique comments there were. Looks like there were 34 comments this week. So here we go. Again, you can't have one in the last 4 weeks. And butterfly is what I am looking for. Good luck, everybody. Oh, every now and then this pops up. Is that not hilarious? You guys, that's so funny. Okay. So luckily we got another button here. We'll try another winner. Oh, that's funny. Okay, we're going to try this again. Good luck, you guys. Oh, Miss Toddy. She says, good morning, Stephanie. Happy Mask Monday. Congratulations to the winner. I love looking for butterflies in the springtime, but I haven't spotted any. Okay, so let's go into the comments here and see if we can find her. Double check she's still subscribed because, you know, YouTube, I don't know why they think they need to do that. It's not like you can talk to anybody in their customer service. It's a chat bot. Here she is, and there it is. Been subscribed to me for 2 years. So, Miss Toddy, can you drop me an email, verify that your address hasn't changed or anything? Let me know that you've seen this because you do need to claim your prize. Thanks, everybody, for playing. Make sure you get entered in this week's giveaway if you so desire. And I hope you guys are having a great week. And I will see y'all on my next video. So, happy Mask Monday, guys. Bye, guys.